Today we're diving into the rich reservoir of wisdom left behind by our grandmothers. We're continuing our journey of exploring simplicity with another 20 secrets from yesteryears that can help us further simplify our lives and find more joy in less. So let's get started. Secret 1. Grow your own food. Our grandmothers knew the importance of self-sustainability. Whether it's a full-fledged vegetable garden or a simple windowsill herb box, growing your own food not only connects you with nature, but can also save you significant money. Plus, there's nothing quite like the taste of homegrown produce. Secret 2. Reuse glass jars. In our grandmother's time, nothing was ever wasted. Glass jars are a perfect example of that. From storage containers to vases or candle holders, glass jars can be repurposed in countless ways, reducing waste and saving money. Secret 3. Patch it up. Instead of discarding clothes at the first sign of wear and tear, repair them. It's a simple act that not only extends the life of our garments, but also respects the resources used to make them. It was a normal practice in our grandmother's time, and it can be part of our lives too. Secret 4. Preserve your own food. Food preservation was a necessity for our grandmothers, but for us, it can be a conscious choice to reduce food waste and ensure delicious meals even in the off-season. Pickling, fermenting, canning, or dehydrating are all valuable skills to learn. Secret 5. Make do and mend. Before you rush to replace a broken item, ask yourself, can it be repaired? Can you make do without it? Can you make do without it? This approach inspires resourcefulness and creativity, helping us to live within our means. Secret 6. Practice gratitude. Our grandmothers understood that a grateful heart is a key to contentment. By acknowledging the good in our lives, we can keep consumerism at bay and cultivate inner peace. Secret 7. Embrace silence. In today's world of constant noise and distraction, the wisdom of our grandmothers in valuing quiet reflection shines even brighter. Reflection shines even brighter. Carving out time for silence can help us tune into our needs and desires, separate from societal pressures. Secret 8. Use multifunctional furniture. Spaces were smaller in our grandmother's time, so furniture often had to serve multiple purposes. Items like futons or extendable tables can save space and simplify your home. Secret 9. Learn to sew. Before we dive into the topic at hand, I have a small request to make. If you're enjoying this video, I'd greatly appreciate it if you could show your support by subscribing to the channel. This way, you'll be the first to know about future content and updates, and it will also help us reach a wider audience. Thank you for your consideration. The ability to sew is a wonderful skill that not only lets you mend and modify your clothes, but also allows you to make your own. It's a practice that invites creativity and self-reliance. Secret 10. Create a capsule wardrobe. This concept involves creating a minimalist wardrobe composed of interchangeable items that you love to wear. It simplifies decision-making, reduces stress, and curbs the desire for fast fashion. Secret 11. Simplify your cleaning supplies. Most of our grandmothers didn't have an arsenal of cleaning products. They knew that many household cleaning tasks can be achieved with simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice. It's cheaper, healthier, and kinder to the environment. Secret 12. Utilize the library. Libraries are a treasure trove of resources. Not only do they offer books, but also magazines, music, and movies. They're a minimalist paradise because you can enjoy these resources without the burden of ownership. Secret 13. Cultivate simple pleasures. Life was slower in our grandmother's days, and they knew how to savor simple pleasures. Enjoying a sunrise, taking a walk, savoring a cup of tea. These are moments of joy that don't cost anything and don't clutter our lives. Secret 14. Practice mindfulness. Our grandmothers may not have called it mindfulness, but they knew the importance of being present in the moment. It's a practice that can help us realize that we often already have enough. Secret 15. Cook from scratch. Homemade meals were a standard in our grandmother's time. They are usually healthier, cheaper, and tastier. Plus, cooking is a valuable skill that's becoming increasingly rare in our fast-paced world. Secret 16. Reduce media consumption. Limiting screen time can free up hours for more fulfilling activities and reduce exposure to consumerist messages. Our grandmothers didn't have screens to distract them. They focused on living, not watching others live. Secret 17. Share and borrow. Before buying something you'll only use occasionally, see if you can borrow it from a neighbor or friend. Our grandmothers lived in tight-knit communities where sharing was common. Let's bring back that sense of community. Secret 18. Unplug appliances when not in use. It not only saves energy and money, but it can also extend the life of your appliances. It's a small step towards a more sustainable lifestyle. Secret 19. Focus on experiences, not things. Our grandmothers knew that the joy of experiences lasts long after the event and doesn't clutter up your home. It's a timeless wisdom we should all live by. And finally, Secret 20. Always ask why before buying. Are you buying out of need or desire? Will the item improve your life or add to your stress? This simple question can prevent unnecessary purchases and clutter. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe for more content on embracing simplicity. Thank you for watching, and until next time, remember, simplicity is not about deprivation, but about creating space for more meaningful experiences.